What does AI stand for?
Artificial intelligence.
Which of these is an example of AI?
Talking robot.
Which of these is something AI can do on its own?
Solve problems.
Which of these devices can use AI?
Smartphone.
What is a virtual helper like Siri or Alexa called?
AI assistant.
AI learns from what?
Experience and data.
Which of these games can have AI players?
Chess.
AI can help cars do what?
Drive automatically.
Which of these is not AI?
Human brain.
AI can help doctors buy?
Diagnosing diseases.
The term for AI generating fake but realistic images or videos is?
Deepfake.
AI can help translate languages. True or false?
True.
Which of the following is a component of AI?
Machine learning.
Which company is known for its AI assistant named Alexa?
Amazon.
How does AI help in online shopping?
By recommending products.
What does a chatbot do?
Simulates human conversations.
Which is the name of the test designed to determine a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior?
Turing test.
Which can AI do in a smart fridge?
Monitors food expiration dates.
Which AI tool allows users to quickly create images from text?
DALL-E.
AI can help people find information quickly.
True.
Which of these is an AI chatbot developed by Google?
Gemini.
ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot developed by
OpenAI.
Which is the correct full form of GPT?
Generative Pre-trained Transformers.
Which company developed the AI assistant named Siri?
Apple.
Who is considered the father of artificial intelligence?
John McCarthy.
Which is the correct full form of LLM?
Large Language Model.
Which is an AI application in social media?
Detecting inappropriate content.
The field of computer science focused on creating systems that simulate human intelligence is called
Artificial Intelligence.
Which AI model creates original content such as text, music, or art?
Generative AI.
AI that helps humans instead of replacing them is called
Augmented Intelligence.